What we need is pick it up and just open it and just drop the lot and see what she does. It's really funny. That's 2. 3, 4. If you pick them up, Jack, and then just drop them, just tip them all out in one big go if you can.
Which one? Which one's the best? Best quality?
She's fabulous. It's the last one that's the best. That's it. That's the last one, and that's the best. What is that? If that's not a happy dog, I don't know what is. Oh, this is so exciting. Just going to count them now.